Hey friends, welcome to a morning movement mobility routine. Today's practice is going to be moving a little bit faster. The poses aren't necessarily as connected or flowy as they would be in a vinyasa practice. It's just a combination of poses to get you moving your body in all directions and to get your day started right with the blood pumping, the breath breathing deep, and the awareness sharp as a knife. Today, I'm honored to be filming here at Wilcatica Wellness Center in the Sacred Valley in Peru. So if you have Machu Picchu on your bucket list, I highly recommend that you scope out this venue. It's absolutely gorgeous. Link is below in the description. You can check them all out. This place is incredible. So when you're ready, we're going to begin in a puppy pose.
While you grab your stuff to get ready for class, I have a really important announcement for you. Teaching online has been a true gift for me, but it's also a little bit one-sided. We don't always hear from you. So we created a survey. Tell us what you need, what you dream of, and generally, how can we serve you better? The survey is only open until May 15, 2025. This is your one chance to really give a lot of input into what we create next. So you really don't want to miss out on this opportunity. Thank you so much for riding this wave with us. Have a nice day, and now back to class.
The hips are stacked above the knees. Walk the hands forward and melt the chest down. Start to deepen your breath. And whatever you have going on with your day, see if you can just save that for later, so you can really just focus fully on your body and your mind for the next several minutes. Begin to lift the chest up. Walk the hands back, make your way into a downward dog. Lift the knees, pedal out one leg at a time. Bend both knees, press the chest closer to the quads. And then start to move forward, come into a high plank. Push the ground away. Tuck the tailbone under. And then again, lift the hips, downward dog. You can keep the knees bent if you'd like. Come forward again, high plank. Send it back, downward dog. High plank. Downward dog. One more, high plank. Downward dog. Walk your hands back towards your feet. Forward fold, back of the mat. Interlace your hands behind your back. Send the hands away from you, straighten the arms if you can. And then bend your left knee and bring your hands over to the left side for a little bit of a twist. Switch, bend the right knee, hands over to the right. Back to center, release the hands down towards the ground. Pivot the feet so the toes point out, lower the hips, Malasana Yogi squat. Press the elbows inside the knees, lift the chest high. And then straighten the legs, forward fold. You can have a soft bend in the knees as you roll up one vertebrae at a time. Arms reach up overhead. And exhale, forward fold. Let's do two more of those. Inhale, roll up one vertebrae at a time. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, last one. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, back to Malasana. Pivot the feet out, set the hips low. So now this variation of Malasana, we're going to make it a little bit more active. So now start to lift the hips up. So they're about the same height as the knees, maybe even a little bit lower. And then extend, reach the arms straight out in front of you. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, set hips down. Relax for a moment. We'll do 2 more rounds. Lift the hips up. Again, not higher than the knees. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Set the hips down. About a 10-second break to catch your breath. See if you can keep breathing through the nose, keep the lips sealed. Last one. Lift the hips for this active squat. Keep it up, you can do it. I'm feeling the burn too. We're in it together. Last 3, 2, 1. Lower the hips. Now begin to move forward, set the knees down. Maybe one knee at a time if you need to. And then start to send the hips forward, engage the glutes, and then externally rotate the arms so the palms are actually facing either up towards the sky or behind you. Keep the arms straight and then reach back with the hands. Slight back bend, engage the glutes. And then reverse it back. Internally rotate arms, lift knees. Malasana squat, maybe backs of the palms touch. And again, send it forward. Bring it back. Let's do 3 more. Forward, hips forward, engage the glutes. Bring it back. Last one. Great. Really start to walk your hands forward, come into a high plank. And now really push the ground away. Press onto the inside part of the hands, the base of the index finger, base of the thumb. So this is going to be even more important because we're about to do one-armed on each side and switch. So side plank on the left, both heels lower down to the left side. Right arm, you're going to sweep back towards the feet and then up over the head. Switch, right palm comes down, sweep with the left arm. Left side, right arm sweep. I don't even know what I would call these. Switch, maybe a side plank sweeps. Let's do 2 more each side. Move with the breath, steady and controlled. Last one on the left. Left arm sweeping up over your head. Back to high plank for extended plank. So now walk your hands forward, out in front of you, and then maybe step your feet a little bit more back. So you still want to have this hollow body shape where the hips are about the same height as the shoulders. And at the same time, you're sort of almost actively pulling your toes closer to your palms of your hands. So we've got about 15 seconds left. See if you can activate your Ujjayi breath. Slow down the breath. If you need to set the knees down, you can. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Set the knees down gently, and then lower the chest all the way down to the ground. Extend the arms behind you, interlace the hands behind your back. And then we're going to inhale, lift everything up for locust pose with C arms. So inhale, lift, and lower. Lift it up, lower down. Let's do 3 more. Lift, lower. Last 2. Last one. This one we're going to hold here. So keep the lift. Straighten the legs, lift them as high as you can. Arms lift, chest lifts. Last 4, 3, 2, and 1. Gently let everything rest down. You can place your forehead on your hands if you'd like. Maybe shake out the hips. And send the hips back to the heels. Just 1 breath in Balasana, child's pose. Walk the hands back towards your hips. Come up to a seat. Thunderbolt pose. We'll just be here for about 30 seconds as we slow down the breath, reconnect with that inner stillness, so we can sort of downshift the nervous system so we can step into the day with a little bit more peace. So option to close down the eyes and just take about 5 deep breaths. Thank you so much for joining me for this movement practice today. I hope it kickstarts your day so you can have a great day ahead. Because when you have a great day, day after day after day, then you've had a great life. Namaste, lots of love. We'll see you again tomorrow on the mat.